That's what's up, Kensington Market. I guess we're too early. You can go to the Royal Ontario Museum, or you can just go in here, man. Like, check all the art. So this is one busy neighborhood, as you can see. I'm trying to get to the next spot right now. Man, ain't that wicked? That ain't right. That's some funky stuff.